today's question is find the maximum value of sin x into cos x. This question is from application of derivatives. Now we know how can we find out this maximum value? Now we know that maximum value can be obtained by double derivative of the function. We know that if the double derivative of the function is less than 0, then it is maximum, and if the double derivative is greater than 0, then it is minimum. So this is, they have asked to find out the maximum value. We got to find out the maximum value for this sin x cos x. So how to go about? So we'll consider let fx is equal to sin x cos x. So first derivative, we'll find out the first derivative. First derivative f dash x. So this is u into v, the product rule u into v. So derivative of sin x, that will give me cos x into cos x is constant plus sin x constant, derivative of cos x, that will give me minus sin x. So we will get cos square x minus sin square x. Now what is cos square x minus sin square x? If you can recapitulate our class 11, then cos square x minus sin square x is nothing but cos 2x. Is the formula for cos 2x. So if we go for f double dash, that means double derivative, the second order derivative of this. So cos 2x derivative will be what? So that will give me minus of sin 2x, and for 2x I'll get 2. Since I got minus, so this value is less than 0. So this shows that f double dash x is, our function fx is maximum. Now question is when it is maximum? How do you get that value? Where it is maximum? It is maximum for when we will consider f dash x must be equal to 0 for maximum. So I have proved it is maximum, and for maximum the logic is f dash x must be equal to 0. So f dash x is what? F dash x is cos of 2x is equal to 0. Now for cos, which angle it is 0? We can write it as, we can go it with cos 2x, or you can go with the initial, if you are facing problem with cos square x minus sin square x, you can go with this also, this equals to 0. So you take this one that side, so cos square x is equal to sin square x. So from here we get sin square x is equal to cos square x. So that will give me cos square x coming down, so that will give me tan square x equals to 1. And for which value tan is 1? Tan pi by 4. This is tan square x is equal to tan square pi by 4. Okay. So what we get? X is equal to pi by 4. Value of x we get as pi by 4. Okay. This value of x is equal to pi by 4, we'll put it in the function. Fx is equal to sin, in place of x I'll write pi by 4, sin pi by 4 into cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, that gives me half. So the maximum value of sin x cos x is half. When it is obtained, it is obtained when the value of x is equal to pi by 4, that is 45 degree. So if your question comes for 2 marks or above, then this is the normal procedure, that is how you do this sum. But if I'll show you a smaller trick, that suppose this question comes as an MCQ, we can do this one in short. Just a trick of doing this, we got to find out this. Order trick, we'll start taking sin 2x. Now what is the formula for sin 2x? Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out the maximum value. And we know for maximum value for sin x, sin is what? For sin x is what? It lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So if sin x is between minus 1 to plus 1, then sin 2x will also be between plus 1 and minus 1. So the maximum value is what? Maximum value is this. So for this one, for this, the maximum value is 1. So 1 will be equals to 2 sin x cos x. So from here I can say sin x cos x is equal to, this 2 will come this side, half. So I got the answer straight away. The maximum value of sin x cos x is half. Now I'll give you a similar type of question on maximum and minimum, which you will try it yourself and leave your answer in the comment.